John, the guest in room 412 just called. She says her breakfast order is wrong.
Again? What did she order?
Fruit salad and green tea. We sent coffee and toast.
I will fix it now. Who is the guest?
Her name is Anna Smith. But John, I think I know her.
What do you mean?
She looks like Sofia Lane, the actress from the movies.
John, stop. Every guest is just a guest here.
But her voice, her eyes.
Our job is to help her, not to look at her, okay?
You are right. Sorry.
I will take the correct breakfast to room 412. Please call the kitchen now.
Yes, I am calling.
And John, smile. We give the same good service to everyone.
Understood. Calling the kitchen now.
Good. Let's go.